Chapter 5, Part 3. Fatima, the daughter of Sheikh Salahuddin Feridoon, was married to Sultan Bilad, Jalal's son. Jalal used to teach her to read the Quran and other books. Jalal used to call Fatima his right eye, her sister Hediya his left eye, and their mother, Latifa Khatun, the personification of God's grace. When Fatima's marriage was solemnized, all the angels of heaven were present and wished the young couple all happiness. She was a saint and continually worked miracles. She fasted by day and watched by night, tasting food only once in 3 days. She was very charitable to the poor, the orphans, and the widows, distributing to them food and raiment. Sheikh Feridoon died on New Year's Day, Al-Hijra 657, the 28th of December, 1258 of the Common Era. And Saladin of European writings, the words mean the fitness of the religion. Salah, doesn't it mean the ritual prayer? Salah, anyways, 110 to, well, no, never mind. The next note, the Muslim world knows but one Caesar of the Emperor of Rome, old or new, which title is now borne by the Emperor of Austria.